What's good, YouTube? I'm back. I know it's been forever, but I have reasons. No, I don't. It's been a long time, but I'm back with a haul, an H&M haul. I may try on, not sure, but I'm back and I'm making a few videos and I will be here and I'm gonna try not to leave. I can't promise, but yeah, let's get into it. So here we are. Woo. Yes, God, I can't wait. I don't even remember what I bought. I don't remember what I bought, but here we go. I should have bought scissors over here with me. Excuse the lighting because I know it's about to go in and out. The sun decided to come out. It's been gloomy all day and it's doing something with my lighting behind the camera. So yes. And my hair, had a bad hair day. But don't say that in my mouth. Let's do it. Okay. What is this? Let me see. Okay, yeah, I don't know. Let's open this. I'm excited. Okay. It's leather, not real leather, but okay, Toya. Okay, Toya. I don't know if I'm feeling this. Let me see. I don't know if I'm feeling this. Should I try it on? Let me get up close. The size, I bought this in a size extra large. Can you see that? Oh, they got a tag. And never mind my nails. Like, let's not do that. I don't know. So I love this. Okay, I'm gonna just try it on. Give me 1 second. Okay, it looks cute on. Oh, I like it. I don't like it with these boots, but these are cute. So cute. Let me see. Get off me. Let me see if you can. That's cute. I like it. Not these boots though. But it's cute. It looks so cute. Well, will I wear it with these boots? No, probably not. Okay. Okay. I like this. I'm usually not too fond of this, but I like this. It's nice and soft. You have big arms. This is an extra large. I have very big arms. Well, you probably can't see, but I do. And yeah, it fits pretty well. It's not too tight on the arms, but you know, it has this thing going on. This little cuff. Okay, next. Okay, this is cute. Little chiffon top. Okay, this is cute, but I think I had something like this already. Did I buy the same shirt twice? I already have something similar. This one has a collar. And this one is like just straight see-through scrunchy. Scrunchy at the bottom. Is this one from H&M? Oh no, this one is from Forever 21. And it's like a blouse. The collar. Can you see that? Very light. What kind of material is this? And you can wear anything under this. A cami. You could probably put this over a dress. That would look cute. But I'll probably wear this with jeans. I bought this in the extra large. I'm not gonna go look for the name. I'll put it on in the description box if you're interested. And next, okay, we got a knit sweater here. Oh, is this the one with the frills on the side? I thought I did not buy. Girl. I want to try this on, but I have on makeup. This is adorable. Size up with this in. Wait a minute. Nah, this is an extra large. This is an extra large. Oh, I love this. I love this. And it's soft. Well, it's not super soft, but it's very soft. It's not like woolly and itchy. Let me see the fabric. I ain't doing all this to find the fabric though. Yeah, so I'm assuming it's cotton. But it feels good and it is so cute. That is cute. I wonder if you can like wear this off the shoulder. Ooh wee. Yes, size extra large. That is adorable. My lighting is being very, very, very disrespectful. So that is that. Oh, this is a dress. I think it's a dress. A dress, of course. Okay, I don't like this. Off the model. It's okay. Should I try it on? I'm gonna try it on. Oh, this is actually too big. Look at that. To the back. Size. This is stupid as hell. Piss me off. Piss me off. It's way too big. It's kind of cute though. Wait. This is way too big, but it is cute. Look at this. Like this is my waist, and this is all the room I have in it. But I know this is the extra. Oh, but that look cute like that. Maybe if I put like fold amalgams right here. Oh yeah, see that looks much better. And I'm not wearing a belt with this. I don't want to. And I like it with these boots. See that? You see that? Never mind this stuff. That's from this stuff that I'm opening. Okay, I'm not mad at it. But it is too big and yeah. Okay, what's next? Next. I think this is a top. I don't like the way it feels this far. Let's see. Okay, I got another pleather number. That is cute. Oh yes, with some high waist jeans. High waist jeans because my belly would definitely be out with these. I'm busy. My stomach will be out. And something like this. This is cute. I forgot what this is called. Sherry or something like that. That's cute. Another pleather number. Some good up high waist jeans. Yes. Feeling that. Next. Okay, this is a dress. I do remember this one because I wasn't sure about the pattern. But it looks really good. Oh, it's the same material as this. Did I get a large? I did get a large. I also got this dress from H&M. It's very stretchy. I originally bought it in the extra large, but I didn't like the fit because it was too roomy. I gave that one to my sister. She doesn't wear it. But that's neither here nor there. It's not a sub at all. But yes, ooh, this is cute. It's the same. Look at that pattern. Yes. Yes. Oh, this is gonna look very good. Oh. 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 The stretch is suspect. I hope it fit. Ooh, the stretch. I'ma try it on. This is a no for me. It doesn't stretch like the other dress, but it feels the same. And I think this is too tight. Look at the arms. If I flex, I'm busting out this. Good grief. It's hot. Need an extra large. Alright, go take this off. Alright, I am back. Okay, 2 more items left, and it looked like I actually did duplicate something. I think I have this dress already. I think it is a dress. I was looking through. No, this feels much heavier. I was looking through some of my clothes today. Oh no, I don't have this. Oh yeah. Oh, this is like the black leather one. Ooh. Oh. But it's just cotton, like you hear that? Like a white button-down shirt, but heavier. Ooh, I love it. And it would look good with these boots. That's cute. My hair is like, girl, bye. It is cute. I wish it was a little shorter, like right above my knees. Can you see that? Only if I was 5'6" and not 5'4". But I'm alright with that. I came to terms with that. Always wanted to be a little taller, but it's what it is. That's why we make platforms. Can you see that? So, I'm busy! That's why we make platforms. The last one. What is this? Y'all, I don't think I'm trying on anything else. I should have just wore like spandex or something. Ooh, look at this color. Girl. No. That's cute. It got a sweetheart neckline. Oh, that is cute. Okay. You did. We got it. That is cute with the puff sleeve. Okay, I have been ODing with the puff sleeves. As you can see, this is cute. I love this. And it's still. Oh no, honey. Oh God. Oh no, got a little bit of stretch. I think, is this A-line? I usually hate A-line. But alright, I ain't mad. I'm gonna wear this for my next video. And my hair gonna be just like this. Cause I'm about to shoot another video. Girl. Everybody rolls their eyes at themselves. This is so cute. This is size extra large. It doesn't have, when you order offline when you order H&M, nope. When you order online with H&M, the prices are not on the tags. Do you see this material? It's tough, very low stretch. Girls. I love this one. This one is my favorite. I like that one. I would have tried stuff on, but I'm being lazy. But thank you for coming, stopping by. Look, please follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. I actually haven't posted on TikTok yet, but it's coming. I'm feeling it. It's coming. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me everywhere. Just look in the description box. I got some stuff. I'm gonna have some stuff down there. Y'all gonna be like, okay, click, and subscribe, and please share, please. I'm not begging, but share. Thanks.